With the spring in my step, I bring you my Easter egg biscuits, exclusively on Ocado. These are really easy to make if you use a processor, though you could make them by hand. Start off with flour, some caster sugar, ground almonds, and this is what makes the dough so meltingly tender, really. Vanilla, and an egg. And butter. I've got some cold cubed butter, salted. And now it's just a case of blitzing to mix. There we have it. A cylinder of dough here, but I've got a few bits. Waste not, want not. And in common with all doughs, it needs to rest in the fridge for a while. And then my Easter egg biscuits will shimmer into being. Lovely. So the dough's been rested and is ready to be rolled out. So let's scatter a bit of flour here. Although the biscuits it makes have a wonderful melting texture, the dough itself is fairly robust. There we are, beautiful golden dough. And now you'll see why I call these Easter egg biscuits. Look, an egg-shaped cutter. You can get this at Ocado too. I requested it specially because I have been wanting to do these biscuits for so long. Time to ferry these to the waiting tray. Just line it with some parchment. You can put them quite close together because these won't spread. Here is going to be the bottom biscuit, and I sandwich it with this egg, and I need to create a yolk. And the yolk is made just with the wide bit of a Tala nozzle. Each egg biscuit needs a hole for the yolk to gleam through. These will go in the oven, and then we can turn them into Easter eggs. So I've split up the pairs for now because the biscuits that go on the top have a separate treatment. And I'm going to cover them in icing sugar. So these are the base of the cookies, but you need to turn them around and spread some jam on the underside. So a teaspoon is about right. I love this M&S apricot jam because it's very tangy. Just hold it by the edges and on it goes. Jam slightly springs up in the center and we have an egg. I know it makes me childishly happy, but that's a good thing in life. So you see, I have half a dozen eggs here, and you can find this recipe exclusively on ocado.com/Nigella.